Hello everyone, it's that time again. Time for another Naviate Feature of the Week video. Now today's video is a follow-up to a video we put out previously dealing with the Create Coverings feature. So previously we looked at the actual Create Coverings feature for creating wall, ceiling, and floor coverings within our project. Today we're going to take a look at the second part of the Create Coverings feature, the Manage Coverings portion of that feature. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So this is the same model we looked at previously. Since we last spoke, I went ahead and added some additional coverings to this space. You see there that I have ceilings covering this entire space of this building. And if I go ahead and drag my section box down a bit here, we can see that I also went ahead and added the rest of the floor and wall finishes within all of the rooms within this space as well. So today we're going to take a look at, like I had said, the Naviate Architecture's Manage Coverings feature this time around. And that's going to allow us to manage the different coverings we have built into the project already, allow us to change them out by following certain workflows here. So let's go ahead and get started. So much like the Create Coverings feature that we looked at previously, I do need to go ahead and select the rooms that I want to address here. So for this project, I have, if we jump over to my floor plan here, we'll see that I have some restrooms in this area. We'll see that I have some kind of common break areas, conference rooms, reception areas, things of that nature, along with some of the other offices, training spaces that are in this project. And the way I ran the coverings tool initially, created carpet objects within all of those spaces on the floors. Typically in a bathroom, we're not going to see carpets. So let's go ahead and address how we can use Naviate's Accelerate and Architecture features to quickly change this out and fix what we have going on here. So I'm going to jump back into my floor plan. Last time we had talked about how I use the Naviate Accelerate Quick Filter tool to select the rooms. So I'm going to go ahead and do that again here today. We'll use my filter elements, quick filter, and I actually have a couple of additional room selection filters that I set up while I was working. So I have a toilet room selection and a non-carpeted room selection. I'm going to go ahead and select those. That's going to grab all of the rooms that I am interested in dealing with. Now I'm going to jump back over to Naviate Architecture. And we're going to come in and again, utilizing the Create Coverings feature portion of the ribbon. This time I'm going to use the drop down and I'm going to come to Manage Coverings and we'll see what that dialog box looks like. So here we have the Naviate Manage Coverings dialog box. This gives me the different coverings that we created previously within the rooms that I selected to investigate. So all of these rooms are rooms that I don't want to have carpet tile based on the previous Create Coverings feature run that I did. So what I can do here is I can go ahead and either check or uncheck any of the coverings that I have created in these rooms, or I could even use the checkbox above in the header here to uncheck all of them. And I'm going to go ahead and do that because I know all of these rooms, I don't want them to have the carpet covering that I created previously. So I'm going to go ahead and uncheck all of the floor items and we'll hit the update button here. And Navi is going to let us know, hey, we successfully moved all of those coverings from the objects you had selected. So Naviate went ahead and deleted any of the floor objects that I had created based on my selection from the previous Create Coverings feature run. So go ahead and hit OK. I'm going to hit escape real quick to unselect all of the rooms that I had selected, and we'll jump out into our 3D view. And we'll notice here that Naviate has indeed gone ahead and deleted all those floor objects that I had created. So that's cool. Naviate Manage Coverings allows us to remove any coverings we might have created. The next thing I'm going to do, like I said, these spaces are spaces that, yes, I do need floor objects within, but I didn't necessarily want them to be those carpet objects. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of run through the process again and show you how quickly we can remove any unwanted finishes and recreate them really quickly with the Create Coverings feature again. So again, using the Naviate Accelerate Quick Filters to select the rooms I want to address. In this instance, maybe I know those toilet rooms are going to have ceramic tile or something like that on the floor. So I'll go ahead and select those. I'm going to come back into my 3D view so we can see this happen in real time. Back to Naviate Architecture, Create Coverings again. And this time I have some additional predefined presets. So if I go ahead and grab this restroom one, It's going to only apply a floor covering of my choosing. So I'll go ahead and hit create. And real quickly, Naviate went ahead and created those 4 floor objects, and you could actually see that happen in real time right behind me there. So I now have ceramic tile in those 4 rooms that I selected. And just to kind of finish out the process, we went ahead and deleted those floor objects. I'm going to go ahead and recreate the others that I deleted as well. Again, utilizing a combination of the quick filter elements as my means of room selection. This time I'm going to do these ones here. Hit select, again, jump back out into my 3D view so we can kind of see this happen in real time. So now these spaces could have had the carpet theme that I had in there, but I think some of the activities that might occur in those rooms don't necessarily warrant that kind of carpet. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Naviate Architecture Create Coverings feature again, and just give them a different flooring object. Again, I went ahead and created some presets here ahead of time. Let's change this real quick. I must have forgot to save it last time. So I'm going to go ahead and swap that out for this different floor object. And if I go ahead and hit create, 3 floor objects created, real quick, real simple. No need to get into Revit out of the box sketch mode with any of the floor objects. So that's it. That concludes the 2-part series we did here on the Create Coverings feature. Again, our first video covered the actual creation of the coverings. And then this video, we took a look at managed coverings and how we can use managed coverings to remove any coverings we might have created in the past, and then how quickly it is to come back and reuse the Create Coverings feature to make any of the changes that might need to occur within our project. That's all we got for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.